Like a bell cut.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Stacy cooking. What I'm making for you today, I'm making some cupcakes. I'm using a very simple stuff here. This is a Betty crocker. We're using this to make easy cupcakes for kids, right? So what we are gonna do, I'm gonna just get this open. We're gonna pour all this stuff out. Gonna open it. Just gonna open it. Pouring in all this. When you finish with this, what you will do, you're gonna add some oil. This is half cup of oil, vegetable oil I'm using. So I'll just pour in that, and 3 eggs. 3 eggs, simple, just crack. This one. 2. 3. So what I have here is the Betty crocker mix, 3 eggs and half cup of vegetable oil. What I'm going to add next, I'm going to add 1 1/4 cups of water. As you may see, I already have the water right here, so I'll just add that. This is 1/4, so we'll add that also. Right, what I'm going to do next, I will use this to mix it. You just mix until it's smooth, right? I'm going to mix it. You need to get out the smooth batter. Mixing everything, make sure we get everything well mixed with. Just making sure it's mixed properly. All done. Right. What we're gonna do, this is a tray that I'm gonna use for the cupcakes. I'll just use this. I'm using these little like cuppy thing. I will just add them one by one into the tray. Just set this aside. What I'm gonna do next, I'm just gonna fill it half, not all the way. Just pouring like there. Because why I would not fill it all the way, because when baking this it will rise, and we don't want it messing up and going all over. Finish. I'm gonna oven. So after I'm done, I'm gonna show you how it looks, and after I'm finished with this, I'm gonna make a frosting to put over it, and we'll see the finished work. Okay, what we're making here is buttercream frosting. This would be used with the cupcakes, right? So for this buttercream frosting, we will just need like 3 ingredients: icing sugar, butter, and some milk, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mix this. It may seem like a lot of time, but by doing this, you got a better consistency. So this is how the butter looks after mixing it for like 5 minutes. It's lighter. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour in the icing sugar little at a time, and I will keep mixing. just add the balance. I'm gonna add some milk, and you could just add it like 1 teaspoon at a time until you get the consistency that you want. And add another. Just add a little more milk. That's it. And a little bit of vanilla essence.